After severe weather pummeled the southern plains into the mid-south and blanketed the upper Midwest in feet of snow, what's in store as we head towards the middle of March? I'll be breaking that down coming up in this video. Alright y'all, welcome back. Hope y'all had a great weekend. Now looking at the severe weather threats for the next coming days, don't look like much is happening except for just a marginal risk over here in Texas and Oklahoma, with the primary threats being a small wind hail threat today. Looks like a well-needed break from the severe weather. That's the way Thursday and Friday went, as there was multiple damaging wind, flooding, and tornado reports out there. Now as far as the alerts go for today, looks like we got some winter weather to talk about today. Got some winter storm warnings out west. Some winter storm warnings out here in the northern plains, with the winter storm warnings being in the pink, winter weather advisories in the blue. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the time frame of when you could expect the worst from this winter weather. We're looking up here in the northern plains in the winter storm warning area. It looks like it's going to be entering the winter storm warning right around 8 and 9 o'clock today, gaining intensity until it exits the winter storm warning area right around 11 o'clock to midnight, entering Minnesota, where another winter storm starts causing problems on Thursday. So we'll look at that here in a little bit. Now we look out here in California. It looks like we're going to be dealing with some winter weather for quite some time. Up into Thursday, we're still dealing with some winter weather up here. So there's definitely going to be some treacherous road conditions out there. There's been a moderate risk for travel issued up here in the northern plains into the upper Midwest. Some extreme impacts out here in California. All right, now let's take a look at how much snowfall you could possibly see today into tomorrow. It looks like we could see upwards of 2 to 4 inches within the winter weather advisory area. But within the winter storm warning area, you could see upwards of 36 up here by Bismarck. Now over here in California, y'all can see upwards of 8 to 12 inches. But as you head up in the elevations, you can see upwards of 2 feet of snowfall. And you see upwards of 2 feet of snowfall up here in the upper elevations. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the future weather models. Alright, we're going to take a look and see what's in store as we head towards the middle of March. Keep in mind the date and time are right up here. Want to keep track. Now we got that winter weather out west and the northern plains, bringing 36 inches to the northern plains and upwards of a foot to 2 over in California. It looks like on Thursday we're going to be dealing with another winter storm up here in the northern plains, and that could bring an additional 2 to 4 inches of snowfall, bringing some heavy rain down south. Now I don't expect any severe weather from this, so don't be worrying down there. And that'll push eastward. Looks like it's going to be sticking around for quite some time as well. It's kind of a slow mover. That'll move out. It looks like California's going to be dealing with another atmospheric river event. Basically means a lot of heavy rain within a long period of time. Now it looks like there could be potential blizzard-like conditions over here in the northeast by March 14th. Now this is too far out to call it a blizzard, but as far as the Euro goes, it looks like there could be some blizzard-like conditions out here. We're still dealing with an atmospheric river event out west. And as you can see, we have this trough that's coming down right here. Some really cold air is going to be funneling in through this way. Looks like I'll be getting out, and that'll be exiting before another storm system starts setting up by St. Patrick's Day. So it looks like we're going to have a St. Patrick's Day snowstorm out here somewhere. This is 205 hours out, so keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and take a look at the temperature anomalies before we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature and precipitation outlooks. We know February was way above average as far as the temperatures go. We already have trees budding out here at the Williams Weather headquarters as well. That's pretty odd for this time of year, but it's been way above average. It looks like as we head towards the middle of March, looks like we're going to be in this below average pattern. It is here in the blue. We're sort of heading into this cold pattern. Warm out here in the central plains. We'll be heading into sort of a cool pattern before warming back up as we head towards the end of March here. Climate Protection Center is in agreement with that. As you see here in the blue, we're below average. Here in the red, we're above average. 8 to 14 day temperature outlook says about the same thing. Precipitation outlook, looks like over here in the Ohio Valley into the northeast, looks like we're going to be drying out. We had over 3 inches of rainfall out here at the Williams Weather headquarters. They're definitely well needed, especially after the rainstorm that we had out here. It's like the atmospheric river event's going to be happening out here, bringing lots of rainfall. That's why they issued the high risk for excessive rainfall. 8 to 14 day outlook looks just about the same. So it looks like those spring-like temperatures are going to go away. Winter's not over yet. If you have any plants that are budding out there, make sure you go cover those up, as it looks like deep freeze is definitely in store for the coming days. If you live in the winter storm warning areas, just make sure if you have to get out, please be careful. Pack a safety kit with you, blanket, flashlight, and food in case you get stuck, and make sure you pack some cat litter too to help you get out of the ditch if you ever get stuck in the ditch. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe down below, comment as well, and until next time, never stop forecasting.